Hi everyone, this is Tracy Siciliano with the House2Home Team, and we are pleased to be taking you on a video tour of one of our newest listings at 4625 Wisteria Circle in Manlius. This is a beautiful townhome, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and we're going to start off right here in the foyer. So as you can see, the foyer opens up into a nice, spacious family room with a fireplace. And this also opens up into a nice, spacious dining area. So I love that open floor plan. You'll love the sliders to the backyard. And as you can see, this home has a nice back deck. And also beautiful views of the backyard. Lovely. Okay. As you complete the circle, you come to the kitchen. Plenty of cabinetry. Double sink, dishwasher, stove, great shape. In addition to the dining room, you also have a really cute eat-in area of the kitchen. And that's right off of the kitchen. And you will also love this first floor laundry. Some cabinets there. Washer and dryer. Right off of the laundry room is the 2-car garage. We also have a pantry. This is the door to the basement, which is unfinished, but there's tons of space down there. And finally on this floor, we have a cute half bath. Perfect. Okay, so we are next going to take you upstairs to see the second floor. As we head upstairs, you'll notice that there are tons of closets, and really nice sized closets, starting with this one at the end of the hallway. To the left is the master suite. As you can see, a nice large bedroom here. This has a ceiling fan, some windows, natural light. Large walk-in closet. And a nice sized full bathroom with double sinks and a bathtub, very neutral. And extra pantry space, extra closet. So a great little master suite here. Back out to the hallway, second bedroom, also very generous size. This is a nice surprise here. Wow, a big cedar closet. It's a walk-in. This room also has a stand-up shower, sink. There you go. So this one also has its own private full bath. It's just a great townhome, a wonderful community called the Bluffs, and we are ready to schedule a showing. great day.